Hello and welcome to today's class. We're going to start our time together in a seated position. As you begin to come through to your comfortable seats, we'll begin to take a gentle little circle spiral, light commitment of the hands and the thighs. I'm just beginning to check in with all the bendable parts. And from the circle spiral, we'll begin to bring our right hand down, left arm beginning to rise, going up towards the right. We'll casually begin to bring that left hand towards the crown or the temple, and beginning to invite that left ear towards the left shoulder. Left hand beginning to rise. We'll take a twist. Left hand going onto that right knee, right hand behind us. Releasing our twist as we take our arms up overhead. Taking a cactus. Arms beginning to go back up towards the sky. Right hand coming into our lap as that left hand goes off to the side. And then we'll begin to sweep. Right hand coming to the crown and then the temple as we begin to invite that right ear towards the shoulder. Taking a gentle stretch here. Right hand beginning to rise. We'll take a twist. Right hand beginning to go onto that left leg. Beginning to release our twist. Arms up overhead. We'll take a half cactus on that left side. Left hand beginning to rise, and we'll half cactus on the right. Right hand beginning to rise. We're going to begin to circle feather the hands all the way down into our laps. Taking a gentle little circle spiral here. And when your bodies are ready, we'll begin to take our hands out towards the side, inviting the legs behind us, coming onto all fours. And as we begin to arrive on all fours, casually begin to bring your left leg behind us, half cactus, half tiger even. And we can stay or begin to bring your right hand underneath your gaze, beginning to take a variant of side plank, taking that left hand up towards the sky. As you begin to arrive here, that left foot might begin to float. Left foot coming back as that left hand comes underneath our shoulder. We begin to tuck our right toe, lifting the right knee, downward dog. Doing a bit of a pedal here. Both knees being to come down towards the earth, untucking our toes. We'll take our half tiger on the other side, right leg going behind you. Left hand centers, we begin to bring that left foot. Right hand beginning to come to our hip or up towards the sky. Again, we can stay. Maybe we lift that right foot. Right foot coming down, right hand. Half tiger as we arrive, tucking our left toe, lifting the left knee, downward dog. We'll take 2 rinses of plank, beginning to shift the weight into our hands. And downward dog. Shifting forward, plank. And downward dog. We'll again take our shift to a half. And then we'll begin to roll over towards the right. Side plank. Rolling over towards the left, taking that right hand up. Right hand beginning to come back down towards the earth, plank, and then your downward dogs. From our downward dogs, we'll begin to walk, crawl, or hop the feet to the hands. As we arrive at the top of your space, begin to take a halfway, hands to thighs, shins, maybe peace fingers. And we'll fold down. Halfway. And fold. Pressing the feet, we'll take our arms up overhead. Half cactus for that right side. Arm beginning to rise, and half cactus on the left. Left arm. Beginning to circle feather the hands all the way by our side. As we arrive here, we'll begin, take a gentle little shift and drift from one foot to the other. Weight beginning to go into that right foot as we begin to step back with your left. Beginning to come into the beginning of dancer pose. And we can stay right here. Others might begin to bring that weight into the right foot, taking a little bit of flamingo, bending that left knee. Maybe we grab hold. Right hand can begin to come towards the heart or up towards the sky. Softening our right knee, we'll begin to come into your dancer pose. Kicking the left foot into the hand. Bring that right hand back to the sky. Left foot going back behind us. I'll begin to let that left foot come back to the top of our space, taking a little bit of a shift and drift back and forth. Weight beginning to go into your left foot as we lift our right heel, stepping back, wide train tracks. Marinating here if you prefer. We're beginning to bring the weight into that left foot, bending the right knee. Grabbing hold of that right foot. Left hand can begin to come to the heart or up towards the sky. And we'll begin to kick the foot into the hand. Left arm beginning to rise. Right foot going towards the back of our space. Right foot beginning to come meet the left. And again, we'll take that shift and drift back and forth. And eventually beginning to fold all the way down. As we fold down, we'll take a halfway, hands to thighs, shins. And melting down. Walking the hands forward as we take our legs back, downward dog. From our downward dog, we'll ripple through to your plank, weight coming into the hands. Rolling the weight into that right side as we take the left arm up, side plank. Left hand coming back down, rolling as we lift the right. Right hand coming down. Downward dog. Dripping the knees down towards the earth. Untucking the toes, coming to sitting on the heels. As we come sitting on the heels, we begin to take our hands behind us, taking a bit of a chest opener. And eventually bring the shoulders back over our hips. We'll begin to bring our hands together at the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this short yoga flow with me. If you like to practice in person, I do have an online studio where you can check out the details in the description. Otherwise, I look forward to practicing again with you soon.